know it to be true. The harsh winter weather can be very rough on our skin.
Yeah, if your knuckles are all busted up because of this cold weather, we've got some tips to help. So we need your complexion to stay moisturized, and to help that happen and keep you going is Paul Stanislaw. Thank you for joining us, sir.
Thank you for having me.
So let's start the conversation
Yes.
here. You know, the wind, the ice, how can we stay moisturized?
Well, the biggest thing is the cold air causes the moisture in the air to drop. So it's really, skin gets dehydrated, so you're going to start with a good moisturizer. It's tough to find a good moisturizer because a lot of them can cause pimples and stuff like that.
Right.
You don't want to be shiny, you don't want to have that glistening stuff. So there's a big shift now to more plant-based moisturizers as opposed to the petroleum-based moisturizers. So down on that end, we have two different things. That one right there is the Hydrolux. That is actually from red snow algae.
Wait, say that again. It's from red snow algae. Algae that grows in snow.
Okay.
Yep, which is really bizarre.
Wow.
Yeah.
But that is super, super popular. It goes on thin, doesn't cause breakouts, isn't shiny. So that's a really, really popular item. After moisturizing your skin, the biggest thing is to continue with your sunblock.
Yes.
You know, people just do it during the summer. You really should be doing it all year round. When you're looking for a sunblock, everybody says, oh, it's got to have an SPF 30 or 50. SPF is not a good measure of a sunblock. You need to read the ingredients. You need to look at the ingredients. The best sunblock has zinc oxide in it, and it should be 9% or greater. The medical grade ones, the zinc is micronized, so it goes on clear. It's not the little white pasty stuff that you would think with a lifeguard. So this is good because it doesn't, I love that one because my kids who are 16 and 14, they don't get pimples with that. Doesn't cause them to break out. Goes on clear. Very, very popular, good price point for that. And it's, you really need to look for the zinc because the zinc blocks both UVA and UVB. SPF is only a measure of blocking UVB. So you could have an SPF 30 and it blocks UVB, but you're getting all the ultraviolet light UVA that causes like melanoma and basal cell carcinoma.
Yeah. Now this is huge because once you lose the elastin in your skin, you can't get it back, correct?
When you're born, 4% of your skin is elastin protein. That's the protein that allows your skin to stretch and contract. As we age, all the ultraviolet light breaks down the elastin, so you see the people who like really bathed in the sun, they're all really, really wrinkly. It's because they lost their elasticity. And once it's gone, you can't bring that back.
Gotcha.
So the better you are with the sunblock, the better you're going to age.
All right, so what else do we have to...
Yes.
So right here is like the C and E oxidants, antioxidants. The vitamin C and E has been around since the 90s. The products have changed a lot over time. They've gotten more stable. They penetrate the skin a lot better. So that's antioxidants are a big thing with skincare today. Again, to slow down the aging process. Nothing there's no such thing as anti-aging, right?
No such thing.
It slows down the rate at which we age, but it doesn't stop it.
And how about these?
All right, so right here we have retinols and retin-A's, or tretinoin.